What's up guys, Fox Rifle here, and today I got a package in the mail. Yeah. And I'm gonna open it. It's gonna be exciting, because I've been waiting for this for a week and 3 days. So, without further ado, let's open that package. So as you can see, it's from the Airsoft Megastore. And that's where I've gotten all of my Airsoft guns. And hopefully I can do this with just one hand. Oh, I can't already. I'm gonna try though. Where is it? Ugh. Before I open this, I just want to give a shout out to Black Scout Airsoft and Gravity Gun Airsoft. And without further ado, let's see what's in here. Ooh, it looks good. It looks good. So much packaging. Keep that packaging. Keep that packaging. Keep that packaging. That looks important, so I'm going to keep that. Packaging all over here. Get out of here. Ooh. Okay, so here's the scope that I got for it. And as you could tell, I wouldn't really get a scope without getting a rifle. Unless I got an ACOG for like a AK or something. Look at this. So cool. So cool, guys. Let's get into it. Let's pull it out. Oh, I gotta pull it out with 2 hands. Okay, guys, so I already got like all the tape off. I did that. Got all that stuff off, and I'm about to open it. I haven't seen it yet. But let's check it. Oh, look, so beautiful. But there's plastic all over. Gotta get the plastic. Oh yeah. Oh, take that stuff off. Ooh. Look at all this stuff. Wow. Looks like I gotta put it together though. Whoa. Oh, I can smell that plastic. Smell that plastic. Get this stuff off. Get that off, throw it over there. Okay, so here is our mag and our speed loader. Gotta push that. Whoosh. Yeah, boy. And let's get this stuff out. Ooh. There is the barrel. Barrel and stuff. And here is the body. The body of that gun. And I'm gonna put all this stuff together and I will be back. I finally got the gun done, and I'm super excited because it's beautiful and it shoots beautifully. I've already shot it like twice. And in the next video I make, I'm gonna give you guys a shooting like range test and shooting test and crap like that. Yeah. Okay, but yeah, so here it is. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want more of these videos. Join the Fox Fleet today, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye!